Cooking Reinvented, Food Blogs Innovations and Discoveries. Cooking Reinvented, Food Blogs Innovations and Discoveries. In recent years, the culinary landscape has experienced a significant transformation, fueled by the rise of food blogs. Food blogs have revolutionized the way we approach cooking, introducing us to novel techniques, alternative ingredients, and diverse cultural cuisines. One of the most significant innovations brought about by food blogs is the concept of fusion cooking. Traditional culinary boundaries are being crossed as bloggers experiment with blending flavors, techniques, and ingredients from different cuisines. This approach has led to exciting creations like Korean barbecue tacos, Thai-inspired pizza, and sushi burritos. Food blogs enable these innovations by providing a platform for individuals to share their unique culinary experiments and inspire others to push the boundaries of their own cooking skills. Beyond fusion cooking, food blogs have also played a pivotal role in the growing popularity of plant-based and alternative diets. Bloggers have showcased inventive meat alternatives, creative ways to use vegetables, and recipes that rival traditional meat-centric dishes. This growing acceptance and exploration of plant-based diets have led to a surge in plant-based restaurants, products, and options in mainstream culinary culture. Food blogs have also played a significant role in rediscovering traditional cooking techniques and preserving cultural culinary heritage. Many bloggers are dedicated to reviving old recipes, showcasing forgotten ingredients, and exploring the rich tapestry of global cuisines. Through their blogs, these culinary explorers share the stories and histories behind traditional dishes, ensuring that generations to come can appreciate and celebrate the flavors of the past. In addition to introducing innovative cooking methods, food blogs have also transformed the way we source ingredients. Many bloggers prioritize using local, seasonal, and ethically sourced produce. Hey advocate for supporting local farmers, reducing our carbon footprint, and promoting sustainable food practices. By doing so, they encourage us to be conscientious consumers, mindful of the impact our food choices have on the environment and our communities. Furthermore, food blogs have become platforms for fostering a sense of community and inclusivity. They encourage dialogue, provide a space for sharing individual experiences and stories, and offer support and guidance to aspiring cooks. Through comment sections, social media interaction, and even virtual cooking classes, bloggers have managed to create a sense of belonging and interconnectedness in the culinary world. This sense of community makes cooking a shared experience, where people from diverse backgrounds can come together to celebrate their love for food and learn from one another. Lastly, food blogs have revolutionized the way we access recipes and cooking advice. They have replaced traditional printed cookbooks with a digital and interactive format. Blogs offer a vast and our expanding collection of recipes, ranging from quick and easy weeknight meals to elaborate gourmet dishes. The step-by-step instructions, complemented by vibrant photographs and videos, empower even inexperienced cooks to create impressive culinary creations. Bloggers' personal anecdotes, tips, and troubleshooting advice ensure that no cooking challenge seems insurmountable. Cooking Reinvented, Food Blogs Innovations and Discoveries, continued. Moreover, food blogs have propelled the advent of food photography and styling. As bloggers recognize the importance of visual appeal in enticing readers, they skillfully capture the beauty of their culinary creations. These visually stunning photographs enhance the overall experience of browsing through food blogs, making it an artistic journey for both the eyes and the taste buds. Through our mastery of food presentation, bloggers have elevated cooking from a mere necessity to a form of art. Alongside the thriving blogging community, Social media platforms have played a pivotal role in propelling the popularity of food blogs. Through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, bloggers can share their recipes, tips, and photos with a wider audience. Social media has given food blogs a global reach, allowing culinary enthusiasts from different corners of the world to connect, exchange ideas, and celebrate their love for food. This interconnectedness has fostered a vibrant and dynamic food culture, with bloggers becoming influential taste makers and trendsetters in the culinary realm. In recent years, food blogs have also embraced the concept of meal prepping and home cooking as a means to promote healthier eating habits and save time. Bloggers share their personal meal prep routines, providing insights into efficient planning, batch cooking, and storage strategies. These invaluable tips and tricks empower individuals to take control of their eating habits, steering them away from relying on processed and unhealthy convenience foods. By emphasizing the importance of home-cooked meals, food blogs encourage a more mindful and nutritious approach to nourishing ourselves and our families. In the era of food blogs, traditional culinary education has taken on a new form. Many bloggers have become online cooking instructors, offering virtual classes, tutorials, and interactive workshops. Through these online platforms, aspiring cooks can learn new techniques, refine their skills, and gain a deeper understanding of various cuisines. This democratization of culinary knowledge allows passionate individuals to pursue their culinary dreams, regardless of their location or access to formal culinary schools. With each passing day, the influence of food blogs continues to expand, reaching new audiences and inspiring even more culinary innovations. The future of food blogging holds exciting prospects, with emerging technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality potentially transforming the way we learn and experience cooking. As the culinary landscape continues to evolve, food blogs will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of this revolution, shaping the way we cook and enjoy food for generations to come. The impact of food blogs on the culinary world cannot be overstated. These online platforms have revolutionized the way we cook, introducing innovative techniques, novel flavors, and a sense of community that has transformed the cooking landscape. Through fusion cooking, bloggers have crossed traditional culinary boundaries and created exciting combinations of flavors, techniques, and ingredients from different cuisines. This has resulted in dishes like Korean barbecue tacos, Thai-inspired pizza, and sushi burritos that push the boundaries of traditional cooking. Food blogs have also played a crucial role in the growing popularity of plant-based and alternative diets. Vegan and vegetarian blogs have gained a strong following, showcasing inventive meat alternatives and creative ways to use vegetables. This has led to increased acceptance and exploration of plant-based diets, with a surge in plant-based restaurants and products in mainstream culinary culture. Another significant contribution of food blogs is in rediscovering traditional cooking techniques and preserving cultural culinary heritage. Bloggers have revived old recipes, showcased forgotten ingredients, and explored the diverse range of global cuisines. Through their blogs, they share the stories and histories behind traditional dishes, ensuring that generations to come can appreciate and celebrate the flavors of the past. This has fostered a renewed interest in slow cooking, fermentation, and preservation methods, connecting us with food in a deeper and more meaningful way. Food blogs have also changed the way we source ingredients, with many bloggers advocating for local, seasonal, and ethically sourced produce. In addition to their impact on cooking techniques and sourcing ingredients, food blogs have fostered a sense of community and inclusivity. They provide a platform for dialogue, sharing of experiences and stories, and offering support and guidance to aspiring cooks. Through comment sections, social media interaction, and virtual cooking classes, bloggers have created a sense of belonging in the culinary world. Cooking has become a shared experience where people from diverse backgrounds can come together to celebrate their love for food and learn from one another. Furthermore, food blogs have transformed the way we access recipes and cooking advice. Traditional printed cookbooks have been replaced by digital and interactive formats. Blogs offer a vast collection of recipes, ranging from quick and easy weeknight meals to elaborate gourmet dishes. The step-by-step instructions, accompanied by vibrant photographs and videos, empower even inexperienced cooks to create impressive culinary creations. Bloggers' personal anecdotes, tips, and troubleshooting advice ensure that no cooking challenge seems insurmountable. Moreover, food blogs have propelled the advent of food photography and styling. Bloggers skillfully capture the beauty of their culinary creations, making browsing through food blogs an artistic joy. Nay, for both the eyes and the taste buds. By elevating food presentation, bloggers have turned cooking into a form of art. The rise of food blogs has been closely intertwined with the growth of social media platforms. Through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, bloggers can share their recipes, tips, and